Hello there. This is PerfectApps application login screen with privacy and policies links over here. Let's log in into our account and first demonstrate the Gmail API integration, which basically in PerfectApps translates into creating a custom email server, and the user can select Google Mail, then use his Google account to allow Perfect Apps to send email in his behalf. And once this connection is done, now the user can create emails and send them as it was being sent from his account. So we're gonna do a test here. Okay, so the email was sent. Now we can see in our account that we have sent this email to bcalin@perfectapps.com, test from PerfectApps. Now this concludes the demonstration on how Gmail API is used. Let's move now to Google Spreadsheets, and we will create a brand new Google spreadsheet. Here we will use the other account we have, where we do have a sales and lead spreadsheet that we want to connect to. Therefore, we're going to sign in with Google, select the account, continue, review the permissions we need to allow. We do that. Now it takes us to this selection of files, so we can select the sales and lead spreadsheet that we need to. This is connected. Let's select sales data. We can apply now changes, and we create a new action to be able to connect to the spreadsheet. We have multiple types of actions. First one, we can show its select. If we do an autocomplete here as a send parameter, I don't know, let's have a send parameter as a cell representative and just populate the whole table over here. So now if we test and let's say we use this one, we're gonna get all Jane Smith sales and leads results. You can also create an action that will insert, and we can do again autocomplete, and let's test this. Test 1 1 12 12, doesn't really matter. San Diego area, and let's connect. Now one successful record should be inserted, and we can see it here. We can also have delete Perfect. Let's do an update first, where we can search by region, and let's update the date, for example. Let's say San Diego, okay, and let's put the date. And we're going to have an updated record. As you can see, it's updated over here. As I said, we can also have a delete type, and let's delete by region. And if we do that, we have one successful deleted record. That concludes the integration with Google Spreadsheets from PerfectApps. Thank you for watching.